Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making cream of mushroom soup. Okay, so today's ingredients is going to be 2 cups of water, about a cup of half and half, 1 container of baby bella mushrooms, half a cup of onions, half a cup of celery, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. All right, so let's get started. First things first, we're gonna open up this bad boy, bam, and we're gonna add our 2 cups of water. And conveniently, this is 2 cups of water. Alrighty, we're gonna add our container of baby bella mushrooms. We're gonna add our onion, half a cup of onion. Gonna add our celery, half a cup of celery. We're gonna add our minced garlic, our thyme, our salt, and our pepper. Okay, so right now we're gonna go ahead and close it. Make sure that's closed. I'm gonna put soup 2. I'm gonna press it once. Oh, there we go, soup 2. So right now I push pause on the blender, and now I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna add our 1 cup of half and half. It smells delicious. Okie dokie. We're gonna cover this back up, and then we're gonna go ahead and push the pause button again. See you in a bit. Alright guys, our soup is done. Let's go ahead and pour it in. Let's see. Yeah, watch out guys, it's really hot. Alright, smells delicious guys. Go ahead and put this back up. Alright guys, our soup is done, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Yeah, be careful guys, it's really hot. Dude, the soup is really good. It's very creamy, very mushroomy. It's got a little spice to it. I don't know what it was, but it's really good. It has a little kick to it. Like I think it was a pepper, so you might want to take a little bit off if you don't like a lot of spice. But I think it's really good. I think it's perfect the way it is. But I do eat a lot of spicy stuff, so it's really good. You should try it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to try different recipes. And remember, only the strong subscribe.